Well, here I am going to pull out a 75 Dodge truck. A little bit of tin wrapped around it and bullshit. But, oh, put the clutch in. We'll just take my time and go back with it. And should be tight right about now. Here you go. I'll just ease my way back. Oh, the truck's coming easy enough. Scrape, scrape, squeak, rattle, squeak, 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 rattle, rattle. Something, 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 something. Be careful because there's equipment coming to run into. So I guess we'll have to stop, reposition. Okay. Alright, part two. Pull this back out of the way so I can get to the on the trailer. I mean, it's not a hard job for the old green machine here to pull this back in low range. I don't have to get any gas. Fucking trailer all jammed up here. Okay, that should be good enough then, I guess. So anyway, here it is. Weapon of choice. Ooh, Jesus, a hole there. So there it is, junk, but free. 3/4 ton, no wheel drive. Gas tank back seat. Decent blue interior for anybody that needs blue interior parts. Except for the dash, a little dry didn't turn green. Seats fucked. Cab's rotten. You see the crustacean? Oh. Like, this stuff here is like, oh, a jetter. You put your fingers on top of the roof here. So she's done. She's got 3 pedals, but she's an automatic. Explain that one. Oh. Anyway, there's, you know, she had a slant thickness, this one. Not an adventure, not nothing, just, ooh, decent brown tailgate. I just broke the back shock, stop it. 2 window. She's a G. GE. Gee whiz. Oh. The Leaning Tower of Power. So yeah, that's that. Pretty odd to see a slant 6 with a fucking 3/4 ton. But see, this here in this hood decal says 440 heavy duty emission cycle. Something missing here. Extra 2 cylinders and more cubic inches. Anyway, it's the passenger side, just as bad as the other side.